Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing oil change on this 2016 RAV4, so let's get right into it. So I like to do it on the warm engine, so I'm going to let it idle for a little bit and get it up to temp. Alright, 142 degrees on the coolant. I think this is good. I'll jack the car up. I'll reinforce it with jack stands. I will unscrew the oil cap. I like to usually leave it on top so it doesn't trap debris. And you can also see the type of oil this car takes, OW20. You want to make sure you pick the right oil for your engine. I grabbed the full synthetic one for better lubrication. Next step is to crack the drain bolt loose, as you can see here. And I have two of these for leverage. Now I have leverage to crack it loose. I will pick this up and just like this, we're gonna let the oil drain. Now I'm gonna remove the filter. That's also gonna make a little bit of oil come out. And I picked up this OEM part. This is the filter recommended by Toyota. When you untighten this, only the metal part will sometimes come out. Then you will be able to use this to drain more oil. You have two O-rings included and the filter itself. This is a 3/8 socket. Now we can use the drain plug and we'll put it in here. So it's all over the place. And next step, I'm going to remove the whole filter. For that, I have this filter remover. It's specially made for this kind of filter. Alright, so we're gonna remove this O-ring and we're gonna put in a new O-ring. I like to put the oil on it. That's the new O-ring in. I will put the cap on. I will hand tighten up, and then the filter, as you can see, and we're going to put in the brand new filter. Just like this. Then there is a new O-ring also for this one. Oil this real good. Brand new O-rings, brand new filter, ready to go. Put the new filter back in. Alright. Next is the drain plug. I will remove the crush washer. I'll put in a brand new crush washer. And I will tighten that in. gonna clean the oil. Put the cover back on. You'll also open the filter box and check the filter. If it needs replacement, go ahead and swap that out with a brand new one. Mine is clean. The next step is to bring the car down. Alright, oil changed. Now I'm gonna turn on the car. I'm gonna reset the trip meter for the oil change. Reset data. The data has been reset. Now you're gonna check the level. It's better to do this when the car is hot. The engine must be warm, and you have to stop the engine for about 2 to 5 minutes. Pull the dipstick out, clean it first, put it back in all the way, then pull it back out. This is the oil level. You have 2 notches. The one to the right is the low, the one to the left is the high, and as you can see, the oil level is within the 2, meaning that we have a good oil level. You also want to make sure you check next day for oil leaks by checking on the ground. So what you see here is not oil, this is the water from the evaporator, clear water from the evaporator. But we can check it. As you can see, not oil, this is water. Alright, so we are good, no leaks, oil level is good. Alright, so this is it on how to do the oil change on the 4th gen RAV4. I think it's going to be similar on many other Toyotas. So thank you for watching. I will see you on the next video.